Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating topics from history, science, culture and more. Today we are going to talk about why human skin color has evolved so diversely across the world. Have you ever wondered why people from different regions have different shades of skin? And what factors influenced this variation? Let's find out. Human skin color is determined by a pigment called melanin, which is produced by specialized cells called melanocytes. Melanin protects the skin from the harmful effects of ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun, such as sunburn, skin cancer, and DNA damage. The more melanin you have, the darker your skin. But melanin also has a downside. It blocks the synthesis of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, immune function, and other processes. Vitamin D can be obtained from some foods, such as fish and eggs, but most of it is made by the skin when exposed to sunlight. The less melanin you have, the more vitamin D you can produce. So how did humans balance these two opposing needs? The answer lies in evolution. According to a widely accepted theory, our early ancestors in Africa had dark skin to protect them from the intense tropical sun. But as some of them migrated out of Africa and into regions with less sunlight, they gradually evolved lighter skin to increase their vitamin D levels. This theory is supported by genetic evidence. By tracing mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, lines, scientists have been able to figure out when and where human populations diverged and moved around the globe. They have also identified several genes that influence skin color, such as SLC24A5, SLC45A2, MC1R, and OCA2. Some of these genes have variants that reduce melanin production or activity, resulting in lighter skin. But the story of skin color evolution is not so simple. Recent studies have revealed that there are many more genes and variants involved in skin pigmentation than previously thought. And some of these variants have surprising origins and effects. For example, researchers have discovered that some of the variants responsible for lighter skin in Europeans actually originated in Africa thousands of years ago. They may have been favored by natural selection in some African populations living in areas with less UV radiation, such as high altitudes or cloud cover. Another example is that some Pacific Islanders have dark skin not because of their African ancestry, but because of gene variants they acquired from Eurasia. These variants may have helped them adapt to the strong sun exposure they experience on islands surrounded by water. A third example is that some African populations have very diverse skin colors within them, ranging from very dark to very light. This diversity may reflect a complex history of migration, admixture, and adaptation to different environments within Africa. These examples show that human skin color is not just a simple adaptation to sunlight, but a result of multiple factors, including genetic drift, sexual selection, cultural practices, and environmental changes. It also shows that human skin color is not a fixed trait, but a dynamic one that can change over time and space. Human skin color is one of the most visible aspects of human diversity. But it is also one of the most misunderstood and misused ones. Skin color does not reflect any inherent differences in intelligence, personality, or morality among human groups. It does not define who we are or where we belong. It is simply a product of our evolutionary history and our current circumstances. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.